A trending hashtag has people across the globe becoming their own Dear Abby. I'm TC Newman for Buzz60, and hashtag What I'd Tell 18-Year-Old Me has inspired some hilarious and heartfelt tweets by people giving advice to their past selves. The guidance ranges from practical things like the time McDonald's stopped serving breakfast to reminders to take more pictures to prepare for a lifetime of Throwback Thursdays. Nikki from London posts a recipe that's great for your wallet, but not so much for your cholesterol. There's some financial advice and tips to strengthen your future credit score. There are lots of tweets about love, loving yourself, loving others, and of course, boyfriend-girlfriend issues. No matter how cute they are, don't trust boys. And of course, fashion advice. Green jeans, not cool. Most adults thought we knew everything at 18, but these tweets remind our inner 18-year-old to slow down and enjoy the journey. Don't worry, after everything, you turn out just fine. So what would I tell 18-year-old me? You know, that's really a private conversation between me, myself, and I. Or maybe I'll just tweet it out for the world to see. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.